In this video, I have 10 ASL games for kids. These are best Zoom games or online games to play with kids in your classroom or at home. Host will say knock knock with action. Then kids will say, who is there? Host give hint about some animal or bird. For example, I am an animal. I have large ears. I have a long nose. My nose is called as trunk. And kids have to guess the animal. Host have to use lots of actions to explain her point to kids. Before starting the game, ask all kids to get a bag and some toy in it. Toy should represent some nursery rhyme. So they can choose duck, bus, star, lamb, teddy bear, etc. To start the game, host will say everyone go for shopping. Kids will go and roam around the room and come back with their bag. Now ask them one by one. Hello dear Krish, what's in your bag? Now Krish will open his bag and show his toy to everyone. Hello dear Swara, what's in your bag? Now Swara will open her bag and show her toy. And everyone sing the nursery rhyme related to that toy. Then check the next kid's bag. Host will ask kids to show random things in their room, like book, toy or clock, etc. Kids have to find the thing in the room and show us pointing towards it. Parents may help them to move the camera and show the things in the camera. Host will ask kids to get random things like get me a pencil, ball, bat or bicycle, etc. Then kids have to find the thing, come back with it and show it to the host. Ask all kids to keep a hanky in front of computer. Now everyone will stand at some distance from the computer so that host can see them completely. Host will give instructions like touch head, shoulders, knees, toes, nose and hanky randomly. When host says hanky, kids have to run and grab the hanky. The last person to do so is out from the game, and the last person left will be winner of the game. All kids will stand in front of the computer so that host can see everyone completely. Host gives instructions: jump, stomp, dance, waddle, hop and clap randomly. Kids have to act on each instruction. If they fail, they will be out from the game.
Stomp, stomp, waddle, 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 waddle.
Get any box like shoe box or some toy box. Keep something in that box. Now ask kids what's in the box. Kids have to ask questions which will be answered in yes or no only. Is it some stationery item? Is it paper? Is it eraser? Is it toy? Like this. They have to categorize things which can be inside the box and find the thing by asking questions. Trust me, kids will really enjoy and become an expert after a while. Host will have something in mind and give hint to the kids. For example, it is very delicious. Everyone likes it. The most popular flavor is chocolate. It is must on your birthday. Kids can easily guess that it's a cake. Host have to make sheets having some similar pictures and show them one by one over a call. Kids have to find similar things in both pictures. For example, ducks and ducklings, trees, like this. Host will write some lines on day-to-day life and share it with everyone. For example, I wake up in the morning, I drank a glass of milk, I took a shower, I played cricket and I slept again. Kids have to just read this first time. Second time they have to read along with actions. They all have to sing their action in next turns till everyone acts and reads in same rhythm.
I woke up in the morning. I drank a glass of milk. I took shower. I played cricket and I slept again.
Here this video ends. Hope you guys like all the games and play this with your kids or students. These games are best for their language and vocabulary improvement. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe Fundor for more amazing videos. Also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.